vulnerable to be out on the road at night. So putting the VisiJacks on makes it feel like you almost have a shell of armor, just because it kind of keeps people at a distance when they see the flashing light. It really made me feel like people actually noticed that there was a biker coming by them and to watch out. I definitely recommend the VisiJacks to friends that I know ride all the time, because it'll keep them safer. The flashing light draws so much attention that they'll stand out a lot more and cars will take notice.
When I make a right turn in San Francisco, no one pays attention. But check this out.
这就特别是为一些在夜间骑自行车的人提供。
Chez VisiJacks. À dans 1 heure pour une nouvelle minute sur Watch.
When you lift your arm, it blinks
lights up.
to show you there. So that arm.
Genius.
Like your own turn signal.
Yeah, isn't that great?
That is awesome.